everyone. Appreciate you stopping by today. Today we're going to be talking about a little issue that we ran into when we moved into our house, and that is that they decided to put the dryer vent right on the front porch, which means if the filter in the dryer doesn't clean out all the lint, you end up with dryer lint all over the front porch. So we could either move the vent and repair brick and all of that to try to get the vent to go out of the house in a different location. Unfortunately, the garage is right next to the laundry room, so that would have been almost impossible. The other option was to purchase a little dryer vent kit that we found on Amazon, which just basically adds a second filter into the dryer vent line before it runs outside.
So to get this set up, you're going to need a drill with a Phillips or flathead bit, depending on what kind of screws you have. It does not come with screws, so you'll need to supply your own screws. You'll need the kit itself. You'll need a second dryer hose, unless your dryer hose is long enough to reach up above the back of your dryer so that you can actually reach the filter. You'll need a multi-head screwdriver. The reason I say that is because the end, if you take the bit out of the end of the screwdriver, it's actually the right size for this hose clamp.
It was a pretty simple thing to install. You just put a few screws into the wall. So I used a drill for that, run the first vent from the dryer to the filter, and the second vent hose from the filter to where the dryer vent goes through the wall and out onto the porch. And I gotta say, so far I've been very happy with the amount of lint that this filter has picked up just in the few days that we've had it set up. You do want to clean these out after each use, just to make sure you don't have a lot of buildup there. So I did put it up high behind my dryer so that I could have it within reach, so that I could empty the filter easily. I appreciate you tuning in. If this helped you out, go ahead and like the channel, subscribe, and check out some of my other videos with other projects that I've done around the house. I'll put links down below to some of the parts that I used in this video, just in case you want to pick those up, and I hope to see you again real soon. Thanks a lot.